Manual hydraulic crimping machine die replacement. Rotate the hydraulic oil valve to the closed position. Move the hand lever up and down. The jack rises and applies pressure to close the dies. Use a hex key to remove the fixing screws of the upper die. Hold the upper die by hand, then rotate the hydraulic valve counterclockwise to open the die. Remove the upper die from the machine. Remove the fixing screws of the lower die. Gently lift the lower die upward and take out the entire lower die set. Place the new lower die set into the fixing slot, and tighten the positioning screws. After installing the lower die, install the upper die. Rotate the hydraulic oil valve to the closed position. Align the two positioning screws of the upper die with the holes. Move the hand lever to apply pressure and close the dies. Tighten the fixing screws of the upper die. Die replacement is complete.